Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're a new subscriber, welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Okay, so you guys remember the spring twist hair? This is it again for the second time. Okay, I decided to do this hairstyle just crocheting it, complete crocheted. And to achieve this hairstyle, I've used some edge control, my latch hook, scissor, and my edge brush. Okay. Oh, one last thing. The secret to this beautiful hairstyle is a window rod straight off my blinds. Yeah, I've crocheted my hair on this rod, and that is how I'm able to achieve this hairstyle. Okay. Don't forget to comment, my bad, let me put this down. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. If you are new, please just subscribe to my channel. I have a lot of watchers and you guys are not subscribing. I don't know why, but you guys are not subscribing. Okay, so please subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to comment, like, and subscribe. All right, and do not forget to hit the bell button so you can stay up to date with any new videos that I will have coming out in the future. Okay, so without continuing this rant, let's just jump right into this video. Bye. So to begin, I pre-crocheted my spring twist hair on this rod, and this is a total of 1.5 packs of the spring twist hair. I braided my hair into 10 cornrows in the front and 5 big cornrows in the back. To every 2 cornrows that's in the front, I connected with the one in the back. To begin this style, you would need your crochet latch hook. As you guys can see, I went off camera and I already started to crochet some of my twists on my cornrows. So by the time I got to this part, I started to get a little scared and worried because I felt like I wouldn't have enough hair to cover my entire head. So what I had to do is go ahead and just put as much hair as in the front just to cover the back in case I had to go out and get more hair.
Now that I have completed the whole hairstyle, I'm going to go in with some edge control. The brand is Touch Down. I'm going to use the edge control just to smooth down my edges and lay my edges so the hairstyle could look a bit cleaner. Sorry if you guys see that I'm looking up. I do not have any mirrors with me, so I'm looking at the camera. And that's about it. My hairstyle is completed. So I've used all the hair that I pre-crocheted the day before. And that's it.